Sierra Pacific Orthopedic and Spine Center, the quintessential orthopedic treatment center in the center of California. World-class care with 16 doctors alongside a highly trained and dedicated team of assistants. The Sierra Pacific team takes care of your orthopedic needs. From non-surgical to surgical treatments, Sierra Pacific, the one-stop for care.
We have a world-class facility. We are extremely committed to the rehab side of our patients' recovery. We treat a lot of things non-operatively, and obviously we do a lot of surgery here at Sierra Pacific Orthopedic Center. So the ability to have direct communication with our therapist. After every surgery, I go over and I talk to the therapist what we did. They're going to see the patients probably within a couple of days, and that way they know exactly what's going on.
We are trying to treat the whole person as much as we can from the orthopedic system, and there's multiple parts of the body. When the ankle goes bad, the knee can on the other side go bad, and so we need to be kind of able to treat all of that, and we can do that.
In 2002, 6 local doctors decided it was time to unify for the good of the medical community. What resulted in an impressive facility that treats orthopedic conditions like no other in this part of the West.
We have decided that everyone here is going to be board certified. And so if you have a shoulder problem, an elbow problem, a hand wrist problem, foot ankle problem, a neck problem, low back problem, you're an athlete, you're a geriatric that needs to, it's one stop.
You know, if somebody comes in and they have a neck and a shoulder problem, just as an example, neck and shoulder problems often go hand in hand, but in order to do that as a private physician, you have to be able to evaluate both and come up with a game plan for the patient's well-being. Well, here, if I take care of the shoulder and I realize that there's a concurrent neck problem, I can send it up to one of my partners and have it addressed immediately. So that makes you better at being able to diagnose and manage things because you are surrounding yourself with great people.
It didn't take long for the community to catch on. Sierra Pacific Orthopedic treats everyone from the professional athlete to the weekend warrior and all those in between. Sierra Pacific takes pride in being the official team physicians for Fresno State Sports and others. But that's just one aspect of their treatment.
Our goals for every patient is to give them a pain-free functional wrist, hand, or elbow. And every patient, our number one goal is to resolve pain. The second goal is to give a functional extremity. And that's the same goal as whether you're an athlete or you're a retired housewife.
Being an orthopedic surgeon is an absolute privilege and a thrill because daily, over and over every day, you have patients who have their life back and they're happy and they're thrilled. So we have the privilege of making a difference, and it's a great privilege.
Don't suffer with pain any longer. Find out if the physicians and staff at Sierra Pacific Orthopedic can restore your freedom of movement. Sierra Pacific Orthopedic and Spine Center, world-class care right here at home.